Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account eligibility and hardware readiness. This prevents wasted time. First, make sure your Roblox account meets voice requirements and that your microphone is connected and tested in your OS. Once done, launch Brookhaven and pick a server that shows voice activity or has friends already in voice. This immediate progress gets you into the right environment. By the time you're loaded, you'll be ready to enable in-game audio controls and join a chat channel without delay. Now you enable and configure voice inside Roblox and Brookhaven. Open Settings, find Voice Chat, and toggle it on. If prompted, grant microphone permission. Next, choose your input device and set sensitivity or volume so others hear you clearly. If there's a push-to-talk option, decide whether you want constant open mic or keyed speech. Push-to-talk reduces background noise in busy servers. Finally, position yourself near teammates or friends in-game so proximity voice. Finish by actively using voice and keeping conversations focused. Speak at a steady level and watch the on-screen voice icons for confirmation that others hear you. Make small volume tweaks if needed. If someone is disruptive, use the in-game mute or block quickly to preserve the experience. If voice fails, restart Roblox, regrant microphone permissions, or swap to another headset. These steps clear most issues. If problems persist, confirm your account verification and try a different server to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.